Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to add the inbox or like this direct thing here. Um so in our previous like tutorials I made, like for example like the OnlyFans clone. We are going to reuse that app, so we don't have to like override everything, like. So here I have like the direct app. Basically what we're going to copy that one and like merge it to our project here, so we don't have to like do the same thing again. So um let's start like creating app. Django admin, start app, direct. Okay, here we have the app. So now let's download like this folder. So let's go to my GitHub and then go to Django OnlyFans clone. So here, click on that one, and then just copy this link and go to this website like git.github.io. So this one will help us to download just the like the directory. Okay, we got it. Also we need the templates. Okay, so let's go here. Let's get the templates for direct. So here, let's copy this one, paste it here. Those are the templates. Also, make sure that you have like, let's go to JavaScript here and make sure that you have like load more.js. So this file, I made like this Ajax kind of like load more button. So yeah, or you can just copy, make a new file and like just copy and paste that one. Okay, so we got the two folders. Let me go to the folders. Let me copy these two. Okay. Let me paste it here. Okay, so now let's start. So now, which one is this? Okay, so now I'm going to unzip these files. Just like the views, just like the views, URLs, models, and admin. I'm going to unzip it in the direct folder, of course. And let's just replace. Yes, yes. Okay, so okay, now for the templates, let me open this one. Just go here and unzip the whole folder here. Okay. Okay, let's check. Okay, now let's add the app to the settings. Let me just delete these two files. I don't need anymore. Settings, now let's put direct. Save that. And now let's run the migrations. And then let's migrate. Okay. We got the migrations. Now let's just run the server. Okay, here we are. Um, Now let's add the URLs here. Let's add the direct URLs here. This one would be better. Then direct URLs. Right? Okay. Save that. Okay, so now we need to start modifying our views because some of these views are from the kind of like the last project. For example, like tier. Let me see. Um, like for example, like tier, like subscription. We don't have that here, so we need to kind of like just make sure that like they fit our needs in this project. So I'm going to start by, let me open the URLs. So let's delete this one. You have tiers. People we can message. Let's see. Here we can like modify to fix the, so when we're in a course, we want to send message to the people in our course. So let's put here request user, and then let's get the curses. So let's go here from, oops, from classroom that models. Let's import the curse, right? So now here, let's get curses. Let's be curse that models, and then filter, which basically will be kind of like this one. But so here, let's do so Q, then enroll will be the user, or oops, user, right? Just like this. This one is for the curses. This one will be for the, for this one will work for the teacher or like the person who made the curse. Okay, so now let's use curse select, because here we're going to modify like the we're going to have like a select where we choose the curse, right? So here request that get, then we get the first select. Okay. We don't need this one. Let's change, let's put students, right? Let me put here, because in the select we need to get the curses. That's why we're adding it here. That's why we're passing the curses, because we need to get the curse first. Okay. Oops. So if course select, students will be curse objects that let me check. Students, course objects that get and then we pass the course select. Okay, just like that. Just that's to get the, because we're getting the we're getting we're getting we're getting the kind of like the course, and then in the template we are rendering all the people in that course. Okay, save that. Let's create another view. Let's copy this one. Let's call it broadcast, because we want, as a teacher, we want to be able to send a broadcast message to all the students in that class. So filter user, because it could be that the teacher have like multiple courses. That's where we get the select. Here we're kind of like building a select. Let's just copy this one, right? And then let's put body, because we are going to have a kind of like a test where the teacher is going to put the message, right? Okay, so oops. And now here, so if course select and body, we have both. So course will be first that objects that get, and then here we pass the course select. We're getting that by ID, right? And then here, so for a student in, we're going to get the course. So course, oops, course. Oh, um, enrolled, yeah. Enroll that all, because we're going to send it to all the users in that course, right? And then here we just pass the, remember the message here, send message. We're calling like this function that will send a message to all the users here. So we put send message. We used it before. If you wanna know like how all these views work and the models, you can go to our previous tutorials. This where I like spend time explaining how they work. So now here we just pass the user, the student, and body. Okay. So after that is done, we're going to redirect the user to the inbox. Okay. So now here, context, the curses, and then curses, then return, render, request, and then oh, what is this? So remember, we don't have like this. This is a new view that we created, so we don't have the template for this one. We have to create it. So let's put it broadcast.html. We have to create this template. So here we pass the context. Okay, so far we have like these two views. But yeah, so in the next video we're going to work with the URLs and the templates to fix all of that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.